Hi guys, so we are in Izmir at the moment. I haven't updated you in a little while because basically my phone died and I just wasn't on my phone at all. I put all my technology away for a day and let it all charge up. But we did a big long day trip yesterday to get here from Istanbul. This place is beautiful. We're at the Mark Warner sort of holiday place. And this is actually where my mum and dad met. So in Turkey they both worked for a club called Mark Warner, and it's really crazy and nostalgic and awesome, and they're showing us around. So I thought I would bring my camera out to the beach now and give you guys a little bit of a look at where we're staying. That's the bar, the beach bar. We spent the morning actually learning how to windsurf, which was awesome. So there's like a bunch of water sports and things on the water which I'll show you, and it's really fun. Might do a bit of paddleboarding today as well. So that's all the water sports like kayaks and windsurfing and sailing and things, and they teach you. And then this is the beautiful water's edge. I finished my first book, so I'm on to this second book. It's called The Fall Guy, which I mean it's really cool. It's really well written. Off to the bar to go get myself an Aperol Spritz. I didn't film much today because we were lying by the pool and I was just learning to windsurf, which was a nightmare. Holy shit. I was really struggling when the wind picked up in the afternoon, but I have like the motivation not to quit, so I just was falling all over the place. It was quite humiliating. I don't know whether this is in focus. Anyway, there's people behind me watching me vlog. I'm just wearing my sarong. Really chilled. We're gonna go to dinner soon, but I am going on a boat tomorrow to do some jet skiing, so I'll bring you guys along to that hopefully and film some of that. There's not much you can film when you're on like a sunny summer holiday because generally you're just relaxing. Lemon. What are you doing? Putting some makeup on because we're taking a photo for Marc Jacobs. Behind the scenes. It was weird putting makeup on after you haven't worn it for like. So we've just gotten ready. We're gonna go take a photo for Marc Jacobs and have some dinner. So I got awkward when I realised we were right. So I totally didn't show you dinner, but it's buffet dinner, so it wasn't that glamorous. It was nice. Had a lot. I've been eating a lot. We're gonna play tennis now. Yay! That's Dad and that's Mum. Let's do this. Oh, wow, we got a show, very nice. Hey, oh my god, so good. What the hell? That's so good. Oh! Lost your skis, did you, Dal? Why is it blurry? Killed it. Oh, merman's come to save.
Here we go. Born ready. Here we go.
Love a new disc, 128. Go outside. Actually, I should put something in the door. Nah. I just wanted to do a bit of vlogging and talk to you guys for a bit because I feel like I haven't done that much on this trip. I guess I can just stand here. So everyone's just chilling in the house. Mum and Dad have just had a massage. We've just come back from, well, haven't just come back, we've come back from the beach. I've been doing a bit of editing on my laptop of my Greece vlog, and I actually just finished it, but their Wi-Fi here is appalling, so I'm not actually going to be able to upload a video until I get home. If I was trying to upload a proper video, it just wouldn't work. It kind of struggles to even upload my Instagram pictures, to be honest. That's fine, I'll give you guys a few videos when I get home of all my travels. Having massages tomorrow, so I will bring you guys along to that. And we've been doing windsurfing every day, but we didn't bring a GoPro. I asked my parents to bring Jessica's GoPro. I don't have one. And I really wanted to capture all the water sports stuff for you guys. I'm peeling and I'm bubbling on my skin. I've been wearing so much sunscreen, but I'm still, it doesn't look too bad because I just lathered myself in moisturizer. But I'm getting like a body scrub tomorrow so they can scrub off all the dead skin because I'm bubbling everywhere. I'm going to Splendor, don't have an outfit, didn't even think of that. This has been my bed. So you did this yesterday, Mum. What are you doing?
Yeah, but you'll get used to it. And see the water and the thing? Yeah. You just put that over you.
Is this clean?
Yeah.
I'm so confused. What? No, this is the bizarre concept, isn't it? Hello. My camera was in with water in a bag, so I was just checking if it's okay. We are off to dinner. It's our second last dinner, and we're having it down by the wharf, by the water, and have an Aperol Spritz, darling. I'm wearing my daisy pants with a bikini top, which they think is pretty risque, but I mean, break the boundaries. Yeah, loving them. Super drapey. The daisy pants and the Bambi set was the only thing I could really bring to Europe because everything else is quite wintry. Oh, and my Katie halter. I've already worn the other dresses to oblivion, so I wanted to bring some different stuff with me to Europe, like the Sammy dress and the chocolate dress I've already worn so many times. Aperol, a cologne. Cheers, Mom.
Oh, cheers.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Cheers.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away. Keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more.
excuse my skin, it's kind of swollen. It was my first proper look at my skin in a good mirror and it wasn't looking the best. So of course, me being bored, I went on attack and I'm now about to get onto a flight and it's gonna get so much worse. So great. Ending my trip on a shit skin note, but anyway. So yes, I filmed a bunch of footage today. Basically, me and my sister Jessica woke up at 1:45. We got picked up at 2 and driven to the Izmir airport where we stayed for 3 hours and got on a flight to Athens. There we landed, picked up our luggage and left, and we went across the road to the Sofitel because we landed here basically at 7 AM or 6:50 and my flight isn't till 8 PM tonight. I'm a bit too nervous to have a longer sleep just because I don't want to sleep through my flight. So I have about 3 more hours to kill. We weren't able to check in till 11, so we were sitting in the lobby for about 4 hours, which was the most boring, painful thing ever. But we wouldn't have been able to check into our flights anyway because our gate wasn't open, so I wouldn't have been able to put my baggage in. I would have just been sitting at the front of the airport essentially. So Jessica's flight was at 1 PM, so she's gone and she's flown straight to Doha and then home. I unfortunately have to wait till 8 PM, then I fly to Munich, wait a few hours in Munich. I fly then to Shanghai, and then from Shanghai wait a few hours and I fly home to Sydney. So it's going to be an extremely long-winded route home for me. I've eaten a whole bag of Maxi Maltesers with Jessica and that made me feel sick as hell because I haven't had any other food. Like I started eating that at like 2 in the morning and now it's like 3 PM and I've just been eating chocolate and I think it's making me a bit crazy. But I mean, what's new, right? I am so sad to be going home. I've had the most amazing time with my family. I never go overseas with my family. I've been overseas with them twice and that was a long time ago, so it's been a real pleasure to be with my family. I've had such a fabulous time. We stayed in Mark Warner, which is a resort. It's like it's an English resort that is in Turkey, and it's so random and I don't think any Australians would, you know, fly over to Turkey specifically to stay in this place because it's sort of like a club vibe. So it's a Dirty Dancing movie style vibe where everyone does activities and eats in a hall together and, you know, goes to the beach together, and you can do gym classes and dance classes and you can do aqua aerobics and you can learn to windsurf, and we did all of that, which I captured a bit on my camera for you guys. That's the place that my mum and dad met. They met 30 years ago, over 30 years ago, in Turkey. Dad was the windsurfing instructor. Mum was just traveling to visit her friend who was working at the Mark Warner, and she ended up staying and being the childcare person, and then they obviously fell in love and they worked in Mark Warner resorts all over Europe for the next 4 years, and I thought it was really special, so I'm glad that I got to film bits of it because that way it's just, even though it's not exactly the same as their experience, it's kind of cool that we were able to experience it ourselves. So I am beyond tired and I'm not entertaining right now whatsoever. I've just had a massive shower and just freshened myself up, done a face mask and put like my Clinique clay face mask on my pimples, and then now I've lathered it in moisturizer and a bit of pimple cream. Show you though, like my legs are pretty tanned. It's just that I don't like to put my face in the sun. Alrighty, well, if I don't talk to you guys again, thank you so much for watching this vlog and I'll see you next time.